Join me for some fun today as I show you several white elephant gift ideas. I love white elephant gift parties. So first one here, just a little roll of cookie dough and this message. We could all use a little more dough around the holidays, right? I do recommend freezing this just because if it's going to be wrapped and hanging out for a while, you know, food safety. You could also do Play-Doh instead. So that's fun. A little sweet treat, doesn't cost a lot. Next up, batteries. This is actually a practical one. You could do a whole pack. I know with couponing around Black Friday, there are some good deals, but you could just do a couple as well. These cute little bags. And toy not included. The opposite, right? Of batteries not included. You could obviously make these more professional, official looking using a computer. I decided to just freehand these, but just a cute little thing that doesn't cost too much. Next up, I have to admit I did not make this one myself, but I think it's easy enough that anyone could make it. Here we've got some mini scissors, a rock, and some paper. That's right, rock, paper, scissors with a little note for making important life decisions. So helpful. Next up, again, one of these little mini bags. And then this tag that I made, premium air guitar strings. Because every string instrument, you never know, they might need replacements. Gonna staple that on there like you might find at a store. If you do need any of these craft supplies, feel free to check out my Amazon shop in the description. Help support this channel, save you a trip to the store. But just a cute little one, super cheap, but good for a laugh. Next up, a little decorative box, and then you can use cotton balls, but I had these little pom-poms. I think it looks pretty cute with this sign. If you are a true Trekkie, you will appreciate the reference on there. So 100% purebred cloud, guaranteed to be tribble free. If you don't know what that means, go ahead and look it up, it's funny. And then just made a little decorative cover for Pet Cloud, kind of like a pet rock, but you know, fluffier. And then this, of course, you could get a small can, but I think half the fun is this giant 10 can of hominy with a little sign says, "This Christmas, I wish you peace and hominy." Did you hear drums inside your head? I did right there. Yep, that's right. A box of life cereal. Some might say that you're telling them to get a life. That's kind of funny in its own way, but you can go a step further, take out that cereal and put in some lemons. And what does that come up to? Well, go ahead and close it up. Probably hot glue it so it's not noticeable. And then when they go to open it, when life gives you lemons. That's right. More punny, awesome things. For every child or adult out there wanting a more expensive gift, this is a fantastic one. A box of any sort, any shape, size, and extremely difficult to decorate. Get yourself a Sharpie and put an X on it. Now you have an X box. You're welcome. Similarly, get yourself a feminine napkin, also known as a pad. Get yourself a googly eye, put it on, you got yourself an iPad. Look at all this technology at a budget. This one you'll need to do a little bit of imagining with me. I don't actually buy bottled water, but I do sometimes get a soda, so I just filled it up with water when I was done for demonstration purposes and made myself a cute little label. Again, you can do it on a computer. I freehanded it and I think it turned out pretty cute. Go ahead and tape it on and you've got yourself a melted snowman. Also could be fun if you do want to buy them to drink at a party. Next up, again, very simple and practical, and honestly, you could just get a single one. This is the crappiest gift I found. There you go. If you want to go the extra mile with the toilet paper, go ahead and attach on there some sort of air freshener. I'm just using tape. A little investment piece, a little poopery. Comment down below, do you use that? Do you like it? And a beautiful, beautiful label here. And, you know, swing by Taco Bell, order a really small thing and ask for a bunch of packets. Because this is the decorative confetti look to it. I think it really finishes it off. And there you go. Voila, practical and funny. So anyway, let me know what you think of these. Which was your absolute favorite? have you done a different gift that you really love for White Elephant? And hope you subscribe. Check out my other crafting, cooking videos, especially around this time of the year. I try to do lots of fun stuff. So Merry Christmas, and we'll see you around next time.